Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss how to find out moment of force about a point. For that purpose we'll take a maximum number of cases, around 5, 6, 7 cases, and when forces act in some direction, how to find out perpendicular distance, and then if number of forces are there, then which one is perfect perpendicular distance. We'll discuss each and everything in this lecture. Basic concept of moment of force we discussed in previous lecture, where in that one basically moment whenever we'll find out, it is a product of magnitude of force and perpendicular distance between line of action of force and moment center. Now say a simple first case I will represent here. Now say this one is point A and this is point B. Means a rod AB having a length equal to say 8 meters and magnitude of this force is 100 Newton. Now direction of movement and what is the magnitude. If you want to decide, first magnitude of moment of force, that means I will write moment about this point A is equal to, it is product of magnitude of force and perpendicular distance between line of action of force. What is most important here? Line of action. Line of action of force is what here? The line along which force acts. That means this one is line of action. Okay. Moment center is what? Point A, because we are finding moment where? At point A, about point A. Now from point A, you draw a line which is perpendicular to line of action of force. Now line of action of force is vertical. That means perpendicular to it, if you draw, it becomes same bar AB, whose length is what? 8 meter. That means magnitude of force 100 and perpendicular distance is what? 8, right? You know sign convention. Anti-clockwise movement is positive, clockwise movement is negative. Now to decide direction, what you imagine, you take a pen in your hand and hold it at left end A and apply force in vertically upward direction at B. Now due to this force, this bar tends to rotate about this point A. In which direction? So in this direction, this bar tends to rotate. That means now direction of movement is what? Anti-clockwise. That means we'll take what? This one is positive. Unit of this movement is what? Newton meter, which one comes out to be 800. So here magnitude of force and perpendicular distance is very important. Now movement of this force about point B, if we'll find out, again a product of what? Force and distance. I'll write here, force is what? 100. Now what is the distance? It is the distance between line of action of force and moment center. Now moment center I have taken B, where moment center is now say point B, same point. This is line of action. So line of action is passing through point B. That means distance becomes what? 0. So this moment is what? 0. That means from this one, what is the conclusion? When line of action of force passes through moment center, a line of action of 100 Newton is passing through point B, moment becomes what? 0. That means here I will write one note. In this note, if line of action of force passes through moment center, then moment of force is what? 0. Okay. Now next case will represent. Now I represented vertical bar. Say this point is what? A, and other end is what? B. What force is acting here is say 50 Newton, and length of this bar, means vertical dimension, is equal to say 7 meters. Now if we'll find out what is the moment of this force about point A, so it is a product of force and perpendicular distance. To decide perpendicular distance, what we'll do here, I will draw a line, right, along which this force is acting. That means this will be what? This one is your line of action. This is line of action of force. And from moment center means A, will draw a line perpendicular. That means here perpendicular distance is what? 7 meter. The product of magnitude of force and perpendicular distance is moment. That means this will be what? 50 into 7. Now this is clockwise or anti-clockwise. How will decide? For that purpose, what we'll do? Hold the pen vertically at point A, and that means on left hand, right? And using right hand, you apply force on this vertical pen as shown in figure, right? In leftward direction. So about point A, this bar will rotate in which direction? So this will rotate like this. That means this movement, direction of movement here is what? Clockwise. That means we'll write this movement as what? Negative. Okay. Next, movement about point B, if you want to find out. Now you know line of action of this force 50 Newton is passing through point B. That means perpendicular distance becomes what? 0. And already we discussed the line of action when passes through moment center, as distance becomes 0, perpendicular distance is 0, moment of force is what? 0. Now we'll see next case, say number 3. Again, I will represent one bar, and then in that one we will represent some forces. Now in this figure, I represented 1, 2, 3, 4 forces, and one bent bar I represented, which one is A, B, C. It is bent at C, and remaining part is what? Vertical. 4 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, some distances are given. Now we are interested in what? What is movement of these forces about point A? Now when we'll find out movement of single force, it is movement of force about a point. When there are number of forces, so I'll use a sign as what? Summation. That means summation of moments of all forces, and our sign convention is what? Anti-clockwise moments as positive. When number of forces are given, you should not think at a time about all the forces. One by one, we'll think about these forces, right? First moment means moment of what? Only 50 Newton. Now, if we'll think about 50 Newton force which is acting at B, and we'll take moment about this point A, so line of action of force in this case is what? Vertical. Line of action of force is vertical. And we are taking moment about point A. So which one is a perpendicular distance? So it is horizontal perpendicular distance. Now, moment of 50 Newton is 50, magnitude of force, distance is what? 4. Now this is clockwise or anti-clockwise. How will decide? To decide this one, simply hold a pen in hand, right? Say horizontal, and apply force in downward direction. Hold in left hand at A, and see what is the effect of this 50 Newton force. So this will rotate in clockwise direction. That means moment of this force is what? So this will be negative, minus, right? This one is negative. Now this one clear. Moment of first force. Then we'll see moment of next force. Now moment of 100 Newton, if we'll decide to line of action of 100 Newton, if we'll try, the line along which force acts, this is the line of action of this 100 Newton. So this line of action passes through what? It passes through A, if we extend it, right? That means perpendicular distance for 100 Newton force is what? 0. Therefore, moment of 100 Newton becomes what? 0. So next moment what you are getting here is 0 moment for 100 Newton. It's not necessary to write 0 also, but you must know moment of 100 Newton about point A is 0, because line of action of force passes through point A. Now, next force we'll consider. Next force if we'll consider here, so what we'll get? See here. Now, after 100, now think about what? 200 Newton force. Now for 200 Newton force, the line of action of force is again important. To decide direction of movement and to decide perpendicular distance, will represent line of action. That means this force is horizontal. That means this is the line of action of this force. Okay. Now, which one is a perpendicular distance? So this will be your perpendicular distance between line of action of force and moment center. Line of action of force horizontal, perpendicular distance vertical. This distance is already given. This is how much? 10 meter. Now due to 20 Newton, how this bar will rotate about point A. To see what effect. That means due to this force, Can you say this one tends to rotate in what direction? So this will be the direction of rotation due to what? Due to 20 Newton force, right? Therefore, moment of 20 is what? Clockwise. Clockwise means we'll write what? Minus. Force is 20 and distance is what? 10. This direction clear? Yes. Now we'll see next force, that is nothing but 40 Newton. The effect of 40 Newton is what? So first again line of action of force. Line of action of force means the line along which force is acting, that means it is vertical. This is the line of action of this 40 Newton. If we'll represent like this, this is the vertical line which passes like this. Now for vertical line of action of force and moment center is A, so distance will be what? So this one is your perpendicular distance, where it is 4 plus 6, 10 meter. Now due to 40 Newton, direction of movement is important. So in what direction this one bar will rotate due to 40 Newton force about point A. So this direction will be something like this. This is the direction of movement. That means what will get here? Anti-clockwise movement. What will write here? Plus. Right? This will be what? Plus. And magnitude of force is what? 40. And perpendicular distance is what? 6 per 4. 6 plus 4 means what? 10. And then we will calculate it. That means this last calculation part, using calculator we can find out. Important is what? For each part, what is magnitude, what is perpendicular distance, and what is its sign, means clockwise or anti-clockwise. So this one clear here. Now what we'll do, I'll take again one more case. Just see here. Now in this third case, what I taken here, one horizontal bar, say bar AB, and distance means the length of this bar you can say is 6 meter. What force is acting here? 100 Newton, and this force is inclined at what angle? It is say 30 degree with horizontal. Now if you want to find out movement of this 100 Newton about point A, basically a problem is what? We don't know what is the perpendicular distance or line of action of this force. If we'll represent line of action of force, if I'll represent, this one is inclined at what angle? This one is inclined at 30 degree like this, right? That means now for this line of action, perpendicular distance is not available if we try, right? It becomes difficult. So whenever inclined force is given and distances which are available, that may be horizontal or vertical, what we'll do here, we'll resolve this force. That means now if I'll resolve, you'll get one component along x-axis rightward and vertical component will get in upward direction. Now you know inclination of force is with horizontal, that means horizontal component का magnitude हो जाएगा 100 cos 30. What about magnitude of vertical component? So 100 sin 30. Okay. Now moment of this 100 Newton is equal to moment of its components about point A. Now if we'll find out moment of say horizontal component, so here moment of this force, what will get here? Moment about point A. There is a single force, therefore I will not write here now summation. Summation कब लिखना है? When more number of forces are there. And here anti-clockwise movement is what? Positive. This sign convention always will put here, right? Now if we try for movement of horizontal component, इसका line of action देखो, this one is what? Horizontal है. That means if I extend on left side, किधर गया movement? This one line of action, ये देखो ये गया, this one passes through what? Point A. That means what? Moment of horizontal component of 100 Newton means 100 cos 30 is what? 0. That means we'll get moment of only one component, vertical component. Now for this component, if we'll see line of action, so just extend this line along which force is acting. ये आपका line of action हो गया, ये आ गया इधर, right? This is the vertical line of action. You are taking movement where? At point A. That means now if we draw perpendicular means bar itself, dimension is what? 6 meter. That means moment of 100 sin 30 is what? 100 sin 30 into distance x. Now what you have to do? You have to check it is in which direction, that is also important. Now hold this बार ए बी मीन्स इमेजिन व्हाट, आपका जो पेन रहता है राइट, जस्ट पेन होल्ड करो एट एंड ए and apply force at end B, that means to other end B, ऐसा upward force लगाओ. Once will apply force in upward direction and you will hold it at point A. How this bar will rotate, किधर जाएगा, clockwise के anti clockwise, ये गया इधर है ना, anti clockwise means confirm direction of movement is what, anti clockwise. That means what will get here, positive, plus. Okay, now again we'll take one more case. One bent bar, say name of this bar is A, B and point C, and we'll find out moment of this force about point A. ये जो length है horizontal and vertical, this is given. The horizontal dimension you can say is what, 8 meter है, and vertical जो है this one is what, a 6 meter. Now AB and BC lengths are known. Force is inclined at 40 degree with vertical. For inclined force, if we draw line of action, direct perpendicular distance is not available. What we'll do? We'll resolve. If we'll resolve this force along x and y axis, so what we'll get here? Horizontal component I will represent. In which direction किधर आएगा? Rightward. Vertical component किधर गया? Upward. Right? This one upward. What about magnitude of horizontal component? Where sin, kick, cos we have to concentrate, right? In this case, inclination is given with vertical. The horizontal component becomes what? Sin of 40. और जिसके साथ में एंगल है वो जाए cos. That means this will be what? 50 cos 40. Okay. Now there are two components. That means we'll take moment of each component now. Now first, if we'll think about horizontal component of force 50 sin 40, इसका पहले क्या करना है, फर्स्ट स्टेप will represent line of action. Line of action means what? The line along which force acts. तो ऐसा आएगा, this is the line of action of force, right? Now moment center किधर है ढूंढो, moment center is point A. That means now which one is the perpendicular distance? तो आपका perpendicular distance ये हो जाएगा. Perpendicular means always find out minimum distance जो रहता है, that is perpendicular distance, because perpendicular distance is always minimum distance. That means moment of this force about this point A due to horizontal component, clockwise के anti clockwise, तो ये आपका 50 sin 40 rightward है, you are taking moment about point A. अभी imagine if such bent bar is given and if apply horizontal force, उनसे डायरेक्शन में रोटेट हो जाएगा बार, this will rotate in clockwise direction, right? That means moment of this force about point A is what? Clockwise. Therefore moment about point A is what? Clockwise means negative. चलो magnitude of force क्या है? 50 sin 40. Distance क्या है बताओ फटाफट? 6 meter, right? ये हो गया first one. Now we'll find out what? Moment of vertical component. To find out moment of vertical component, concentrate on line of action of force. तो किधर है line of action of 50 cos 40? Vertical है, that means same line along which force acts. ये आपका line of action आ गया, right? Moment center किधर है? A. यानी आपका perpendicular distance हो गया या आपका 8 मीटर. तो इसका जो moment है 50 cos 40 का, this will be in which direction? तो इमेजिन करोगे वर्टिकली अपवर्ड फोर्स लगाया एंड यू आर होल्डिंग सच बार एट ए, तो ये किधर रोटेट हो जाएगा? ये आपका ऐसा ही रोटेट होने वाला है. इन विच डायरेक्शन? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. दैट मींस मोमेंट ऑफ दिस फोर्स इज व्हाट? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मींस विल राइट व्हाट? पॉजिटिव. इसका जो कंपोनेंट है दिस वन इज व्हाट? 50 cos 40. अभी डिस्टेंस कौन सा आ गया आपका? हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस कितना आ गया? 8 मीटर, राइट? विल फाइंड आउट दिस वन, विल गेट सम मोमेंट अबाउट पॉइंट ए. इसमें भी important is what? Which is a force and what is a perpendicular. For this force which is a perpendicular distance. And आपका clockwise movement आता है कि anti clockwise आता है. This one is very important. Now again if we try moment of same force about say point B. About point B. अभी moment center आपका ये है, तो आपको assume करना है कि this one at C force is acting and you are holding this bar at B. Due to horizontal component, what movement will get here is again clockwise. तो ये क्या आएगा? Negative. 50 साइन 40, आपका लाइन ऑफ एक्शन रेडी है, मीन्स इसका हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ऑफ एक्शन है तो वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस आएगा परपेंडिकुलर 6 मीटर. एंड व्हाट अबाउट मूवमेंट ऑफ वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट का मूवमेंट आएगा 0. ओके, again we'll see one more case, right? That means now next case will what we'll do, a general case, right? How we'll decide direction, that means clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now suppose ये जो पॉइंट है, दिस वन इज व्हाट, इज सपोज आपका मूवमेंट सेंटर. ओके, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट मूवमेंट अबाउट दिस पॉइंट. ये आपका है मूवमेंट सेंटर. जस्ट जनरल यू कैन से दिस इज पॉइंट ए. नाउ आई विल रिप्रेजेंट वन फोर्स लाइक दिस. ये ऐसा आपका फोर्स है. movement of this force is clockwise or anti-clockwise. How will decide? तो where force is acting at this point. अभी आपको क्या करना है, क्या इमेजिन करना है कि these are two locations. Which two locations? Point of application of force. Point of application of force is say B. ये आपका force है. Point B is point of application. Where you are taking movement? Movement about point A. तो इमेजिन दिस वन इज वन बार. ये आपका इमेजिनरी बार, ऐसा इमेजिन करने का, राइट? इमेजिन करने में कुछ नहीं जाता है. दिस वन इज अ बार, राइट? एंड नाउ इफ विल अप्लाई मूवमेंट ऑफ दिस फोर्स, तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ फोर्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट. क्लॉकवाइज आएगा कि एंटी क्लॉकवाइज? पेन को होल्ड करने का, एट पॉइंट ए पे पकड़ने का, एंड विल अप्लाई सम फोर्स एफ. तो दिस बार ए बी हैज टू रोटेट इन दिस डायरेक्शन, राइट? Like this, if any force is given, you can decide what is the direction of movement. Now this one is for first force, what we have done, right? Now if we'll take same movement center and I'll take a force at different location. Say this one is a force which is acting at this point C. आपको decide क्या करना है, what is movement of फोर्स FC अबाउट पॉइंट ए. क्या इमेजिन करना है, क्या डिस्कस किया था? वेयर फोर्स इज एक्टिंग एट सी. ये एक पॉइंट पकड़ने का. दूसरा क्या है, मूवमेंट सेंटर. एंड इमेजिन कि देयर इज अ बार लाइक दिस. ए सी आपका एक बार है, राइट? ये बार को क्या करना है, होल्ड इट. वेयर, जिधर मूवमेंट लेना है, मीन्स एट पॉइंट ए, इधर होल्ड किया, राइट? नाउ इफ विल होल्ड इट एंड इफ विल अप्लाई फोर्स इन दिस डायरेक्शन, this bar will rotate in which direction? ऐसा गया anti-clockwise. This one is what? Anti-clockwise. That means like this for individual force, where force is acting and where you are taking movement, from that one, if we'll imagine there is a bar and how that bar will rotate, so easily will get direction of movement. And in any force, if number of forces, 5-6 forces is suppose, right? At a time you think about only one force and easily you can decide what is the direction of movement, right? Now again you can say this one is a force. Where I will represent now? Anywhere. Say this one is nothing but what? ये आपका ऐसा force है. This is a force. Where force is acting? At this point. Say point D. बोलो क्या करना है? First what we'll do? Imagine, right? There is one bar. Where तो पॉइंट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फोर्स ये एक पॉइंट एंड दूसरा आपका मूवमेंट सेंटर. ये दोनों ऐसा इमेजिन करने का, राइट? वंस विल इमेजिन लाइक दिस. अभी इसको रॉड में यू इमेजिन दिस एज अ पेन एंड ए पेन को पकड़ना है अबाउट पॉइंट ए एंड अप्लाई फोर्स ऑन द बार. ये जो पेन है, दिस विल रोटेट इन विच डायरेक्शन? तो दिस हैज टू रोटेट इन दिस डायरेक्शन. मीन्स विच मूवमेंट? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट. तो दीज आर ऑल अबाउट व्हाट? directions, right? Now we'll solve again one case we'll discuss, right? Okay, how to find out again moment of force. See here, this one is say AB bar and this force is say 100 Newton. Okay, 100 Newton force. But now this one is inclined to the bar at some angle. I'll represent inclination of this force with the bar is given as what? So this one is 50 degrees. Okay, this one is what? A 50 degrees. And bar is inclined at an angle of 30 degree with horizontal. और जो length of bar है, this one is given some distance. Say this one I'll take as what? 8 meter. Now if I'll say find a moment of 100 Newton about point A. So what we'll do here? as a normal method, you can say you may be resolve in horizontal direction, vertical direction. But if you resolve in horizontal and vertical direction, you don't know what is horizontal and vertical distance. Because for horizontal component will get what? Vertical distance. And for vertical component will get what? Horizontal distance. Here horizontal vertical distances are not available. Which distance is available? AB, length of bar is available. Now any force when will resolve, that force can be resolved along two axes which are mutually perpendicular to each other. I'll draw one line, and this line is perpendicular to bar. Okay. Now for this force 100 Newton, a 100 Newton force, right, which is inclined at 50 degree with the bar. If we resolve this 100 Newton along this bar, so you will get one component along the bar and in downward direction. Other force what will get here is what? Perpendicular to bar. Force can be resolved along any two axes which are mutually perpendicular. अभी ये जो कंपोनेंट आएगा दिस वन इंक्लिनेशन इज विद द बार, तो ये जो कंपोनेंट आएगा दिस वन इज व्हाट 100 cos 50 आएगा बिकॉज इंक्लिनेशन इज विद बार, एंड दिस कंपोनेंट विल गेट व्हाट 100 sin 50, right? Such two components. Now you have to find out what moment of this force about point A. To find out moment of force about this point A, अभी आपका ये जो component है which one is what I represented here 50 100 cos 50. Actually ये जो component है this one at from this B that is along the bar. This one is along the bar and this line of action passes through it. तो moment इसका जो moment है this one becomes what 0. You will get moment of only one component 100 sin 50 and this moment will get in which direction? तो ये आएगा आपका एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में जाएगा. होल्ड दिस बार इसे पकड़ने का ए एंड अप्लाई फोर्स 100 sin 50 किधर जाने वाला है? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज जाएगा. दैट मींस दिस मूवमेंट बिकम्स व्हाट? पॉजिटिव एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. व्हाट विल राइट हियर? तो दिस विल बी व्हाट 100 sin 50 फोर्स. अभी ये जो फोर्स है 100 sin 50 ये लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ फोर्स है, राइट? तो ये बार ए भी परपेंडिकुलर है. दैट मींस आपका परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस क्या होगा इधर? 8 मीटर. तो व्हाट विल गेट हियर? मूवमेंट अबाउट पॉइंट ए. तो assuming you can say now if we'll go through all the cases what we discussed carefully, you'll understand number one how to find out perpendicular distance and direction of movement clockwise or anti-clockwise. So while finding movement you have to always concentrate on what? Direction of movement clockwise or anti-clockwise and perpendicular distance, right? तो perpendicular distance how will find out? Line of action of force को extend करते जाने का and from that point you draw perpendicular, find perpendicular distance, easily will get what? Moment of force. In next lectures we'll solve problems based on resultant of parallel force system and resultant of general force system. Thank you.